Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote desktop access, which is Getscreen and TeamViewer. So to get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms, you will decide which of these will be a better option for your business to use in 2025. So to get started, Getscreen in 2025 is a lightweight, browse-based and remote access tools designed for simplicity and speed. You don't need to install any software, just share a link and you are in. It's ideal for freelancers, small businesses, or anyone who need a quick, no-frills remote support. However, Getscreen lacks some advanced features like file transfer, season and section recording, and unattended access that begins tools offers, making it better for occasional rather than experienced users. TeamViewer, on the other hand, remains a full-featured remote desktop solution packed with tools like file sharing, multi-user section, and a strong security. It supports unattended access, mobile hours, device control, and it's trusted worldwide. It's said that the TeamViewer cost much higher, especially for businesses, and a license can feel complex. And here's the very conclusion. Choose Getscreen if you need a fast, no-install ways to connect remotely without extra bell or whistle, and go with TeamViewer if you need a powerful, scalable solution with advanced remote support features. And that's it.